Evergreen CBD Gummies review, is legit or a scam? Evergreen CBD Gummies review, is legit or a scam? The gummies have become popular for stress relief, better sleep, and pain management, but with so many brands online, it's easy to get skeptical. Evergreen CBD Gummies claims to deliver natural relief and overall wellness, but is it legit or just another scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming that all CBD products are equally effective. The surprising truth is that Evergreen CBD Gummies appear to be legitimate, using hemp-derived CBD and promising consistent dosage per gummy. Customer reviews online suggest that many users notice mild relaxation and improved sleep quality after regular use. You won't believe what happens next. While the gummies seem genuine, results vary widely depending on the individual dosage and lifestyle. Also, pricing is higher than some competitors, so it's important to compare with other reputable CBD brands. Always look for third-party lab testing to confirm potency and purity. For safe use, start with a recommended dosage, monitor how your body responds, and consult a healthcare professional if you have existing conditions or are taking medications. CBD is not a miracle cure but can support wellness when used responsibly. In conclusion, Evergreen CBD Gummies are generally legitimate and may offer real benefits for relaxation and mild symptom relief. However, manage expectations, verify lab testing, and combine them with a healthy lifestyle for the best results.